Good morning, everybody. We got another day today. Today we're going to be doing 2 loads in Duluth. We're going to be hauling some broken asphalt from a driveway and dumping it back over here in Loganville. I already did my pre-trip. Everything's good. My truck all clean, all shined up. Let's get ready to roll. The wheel good from the interior pre-trip, except that's the leak we still have. Fucking annoying. Oh, he's gonna turn and put his signal last second. They put on the signal earlier, I could have gone. Fixed my windshield wiper on the driver's side. It wasn't working because I had a missing, well, not missing, it was, the bolt was loose, so all I had to do was tighten it. But they're not, well, how do you say it? They're not equal, you know? You see? Alright, so my truck is all warmed up now. You already know what time it is, my favorite part of the day. If I'm up, you're up. Alright, so we're arriving here to our destination. We're like 2 minutes late. That's alright. We're here. I think they just got here too, so they're just backing up their trailer. So they're finishing up loading up the asphalt. I guess it turned out to be just one load, but that's alright. We have another job lined up for today. 2 loads. And once we finish those, there might be even more. So once we finish up loading, we're gonna go dump it here at asphalt plant here in Norcross. I found a closer place, and then I can dump it for free too. So, and then from there we go to Forest Park, Georgia, all the way the other side of Atlanta. But yeah, it turned out to be just one load, so that's okay. We have another job, like I said. So let's go with them. Alright, so we just dumped that one load today. Got the loader man here. So this is my truck. Still looks clean, you know. Yesterday, the other day, I painted the back because it was all missing. It was missing paint. I put the hauling ass chrome, the chrome ladies, tire shine. Still looking clean. But once we get into the quarries, man, oh no. That's where we're going right now. It's gonna get out there anymore, so let's go. But shout out to the loader man though. We're going to Forest Park. We got 2 loads over there of 89 stone. So we're getting up to 285 right now. Not right now, but we're heading up. 285. Going to the Vulcan Materials in Forest Park. And fucking let's go to 285 and 85. Let's go through Atlanta. It's just 2 minutes more. There's always those dickheads cutting last second. You can't wait like everybody else.
what you looking for? 89? Yeah, 89. 89 are gonna be back there. You remember when you got 57s at one time on top of the hill? Yeah, come on, follow me. I'll take you over there.
This guy's pretty quick. So,
Yeah, 18.
no, 19, 19.5. Goddamn radio. It's quick, man. It gets done real quick, man. Some other things like 5 whole minutes just to load one. It does it in like 30 seconds. You should be more like this guy at the quarries. Alright, let's roll. Truck 60519 still one. We got 89 stone for North Georgia pipeline.
So you coming out?
Guys, I'm here delivering the first load. I'll pick up right there. Should have went the other way because now stuff. Man, every time I clean those tires, I always get stuck. It looks dry to me, man. It's not even that wet, just it's loose ground, so I'm gonna just try to straighten my wheels and see if I can get up. And I bottomed out. Damage and touching the ground. My differentials are on the floor, man. So we took the first load. Shout out to the excavator man. He pushed me out of there. He stuck his bucket into my bed and pushed it that way so it doesn't damage my truck. So yeah, we made it out. Just fucking dirty, man. Man, every time I clean it, it gets dirty as fuck the next day. Gotta check if there's no damage. Let's go get our next load. Just keep y'all a little bit of train or there's nobody around us. Hit the horn. We're here back at the quarry, getting our second and last load. So truck 60519, same thing.
So you coming out?
Yeah, just So I'm gonna dump one more load here, or this is my last load here in this job. I just checked, we have 3 more loads over there in Stockbridge going to McDonough, Georgia. So now I'm going to a new quarry that I've never been to before. It's another Vulcan quarry. It's over there in Stockbridge, Georgia. It's gonna be on I-75 to McDonough, so this road. Fucking signal. I'm trying to get to the right lane. These motherfuckers don't let me through. God damn. Alright, fucking hit the rest. Like, fucking mess. Nobody's passing. There's like an one of those tow trucks with emergency lights on. I think he has a sign that says "Do not pass" or something. All these 4-wheelers are getting impatient. It says "Do not pass." Oh, there's a guy on the shoulder. Pretty cool, slowing down all these bitch ass 4-wheelers. Don't slow down for nothing. Probably save his life. Oh, he's pretty cool. He pushed the car out of the way. hauling 57 stone. Intersection where I'm at is fucked up. The fucking foundation station is not the fucking right there. It's kind of front of like 4 cars. People using that gas station. So we're here at the quarry, just picked up our last load. Let's go deliver it. That guy's painting the rocks together. cutting there. Just trying to get in front of everybody. We're not gonna run over. Right, this way to the right. Run the fucking thing. Time to wait around for these people to move the truck. I'm gonna find a way to dump it. But damn, I need to leave now, man. Traffic about to start on 75, 85 to 85. Wow. It's gonna be fucking traffic for hours. I finally go for their truck. I need that space to turn wide. Check the back of my truck. We don't have no rocks, nothing. I could fall out of our bed and damage other people's cars. Me and my chain spinning down. I have a little gap. Dang, I need to fix that. Cause the stone we just hauled is pretty small. And I bet we leaked a bunch of it out. Yesterday, I put these chrome pieces on my truck. Ah, my mud flap lady fell. Damn it, I had two of them. One of them fell. I'm gonna check their damn, that was my favorite one. It was the cowgirl one. Yeah, I put DOT stickers on there. No warning sticker. Man, where'd that mud flap girl go? My favorite one. It was like this one. Right now we're on our way home. We're passing through Conyers, Georgia, right here to my left. This is the old school I went to. I'll give it my little hug, say hey or something. Clean the truck, now it's back to dirty. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna get out of this guy's way. See you on the next one.